Hi there. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to build a growing arc in Microsoft PowerPoint. As it's not a built-in functionality, we have to build the arc by hand. Okay, let's see the end product, how it should look like. First of all, we've got a small arc, and starting the animation, it grows to a specific point. Okay, now let's see how to build it. Okay, now let's see how to build this animation. As I've mentioned, it's not a built-in functionality, so we have to build everything by ourselves. Here I start with inserting a shape, and I don't use these block arrows as it could be tricky to create an equal height rectangle. So I start building my arc with a rectangle, copy it, okay, and paste it again to have equal height rectangles, two pieces. And then I insert a triangle to build the front of the arrow, turn it by 90 degrees and add it to this rectangle. Now I've built an arc and mark them every three shapes and remove the lines around the objects. Okay, now I start building the animation. I first mark the arrow and group it to build a single element. It's a bit easier to do the animation on a single element instead of two pieces. Okay, I then insert the animation and I use a drop-down menu to find the motion path line and choose it and see that it's moving from top to bottom, and I could choose the second position. Okay, now I've built this, and now when I'm looking to the animation, I see this arrow moving from left to right. But I want this arrow to grow. Okay, therefore I put this second rectangle, create a long bar and place it to this position. And when I choose okay, now let's watch the animation again to see if the arc, if the rectangle is long enough, and start the animation again. Okay, this is perfect, the length of this bar. Now I have to animate this bar, and I choose wipe as the animation and choose the effect option that it should come from the left, and I start it with the previous one and set the duration to the same duration as animation 1. Okay, now let's see all together, and we see that's all. Now we've got